Attain technical know-how to improve efficiency, speed, quality, and performance of industrial processes and machinery. Chandigarh University, a QS top-ranked university, offers Bachelor of Engineering in Robotics and Automation wherein students will learn and apply a range of engineering techniques to the fields of robotics, automation, and mechatronics. Enriching learning at industry-sponsored infrastructure. Career prospects that open up after pursuing this program include top companies hiring robotics and automation graduates. Develop software with mechanical, electronic, and mechatronics design. Enroll today at Chandigarh University, a truly world-class institution.